Hello there. Well, today we're gonna install a very simple part on the EXC-F 6 Days 2018. It's a clutch cover protector by KTM. It's pretty simple. So I'm just gonna unscrew this. It's very simple to install. Longer bolt here. These T tools are very handy. Very handy. Right. So we take this. Then we just put it back. Simple as that. And this will just prevent. It's plastic, so I mean you can. Let me see how it is. It's not like super sturdy, but well, it will keep from this. Will keep some rocks from denting in this part of the bike, and so you know what, it's not a cheap bike, so why not install some cheap things, or not that crazy expensive to keep it like a little longer lasting. And we're almost done there. Pretty simple. Clutch protector for KTM 2018 6 Days edition. I really like the blue. Why I got it. And that's it. Alright. Simple. See you in the next video.